In today's video, we'll be providing you with the ignition switch power fuse location for your 2003 through 2006 Ford Expedition. We'll also take you through the necessary steps on how to test this fuse. In order to locate the fuse box, locate the passenger side front kick panel. The fuse box is located under the access panel. Remove the access panel to reveal the fuse box. Let's start off by providing you with a basic understanding of how your ignition switch works. At the top, we have the ignition lock cylinder. This is where you insert your key and move the key to the different positions such as ACC run, start, off, so forth and so on. As you put your key in different positions, the ignition lock cylinder is going to interface with the ignition switch and move it to different positions as well. As the ignition switch gets moved to different positions, it will send out different electrical outputs shown in blue. And one of those outputs is going to be the one that's responsible for sending the signal that commands your starter to turn on, to crank, or to turn your engine over. In order for the ignition switch to send out the necessary outputs, it has to have its electrical input or power feed shown in red. So the question we're going to help you answer today is which fuse is responsible for sending power to the ignition switch. The bottom line is if you're experiencing a no crank, no start issue with your vehicle, you should definitely check this fuse. The ignition switch power feed fuse is a 30 amp fuse. It is fuse number 102 on the fuse box diagram. The actual physical location of the fuse is shown in the picture. If this information has helped you out, do us a huge favor and smash that like button right now and consider subscribing. We'd really appreciate it. Here's a close-up picture of the fuse. It's a J-case cartridge fuse. We'll leave a link down in the description below of where you can get replacement fuses. Next, we'll show you how to use a multimeter to verify whether or not your fuse is good. This is how you perform a resistance test using a digital multimeter. First, set your multimeter to resistance mode. Second, after making sure your test probes are in the correct ports and verifying your tool is configured correctly, touch one of your leads to one side of the fuse and touch your other lead to the other side of the fuse. If your display shows OL or doesn't change, this means the fuse is bad. If your display shows 0 or virtually 0 resistance, this means your fuse is good. As a DIYer, when it comes to getting access to information that will assist you with servicing and maintaining your own vehicle, we recommend Mitchell 1 DIY. With Mitchell 1 DIY, you get not only access to quality in-depth wiring diagrams for your vehicle, but you also get component locations, component tests, technical bulletins, and much more. If you'd like to learn more about the service, please see the link down in the description below for more details. Once you get on the Mitchell 1 website, be sure to check out the free demo of everything that's included in your product subscription. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, hit that subscribe button and click that bell so anytime we drop a new video, you'll be the first to know. Hit that like button and leave me some comments. I'd love to hear from you. If you're interested in any of the products we used in today's video, we'll leave some links down below. Hope you have an awesome day, and thanks for watching.